Put it on with quick drying plaster first. Put shells before the plaster dries. Beautiful stones. Found the color light. Well, all kinds of marine pencils with beads. Found a silver lid. Make a fish head out of clay. Make another fish tail. Sequins and beads make a fish eye. Blue cat's eye nail polish is used here. Suck out the aperture with a magnet. Now be a jellyfish. Transparent nail polish, dye it and then apply a bright sheet. Stick some beautiful beads and dry them. Make jellyfish tentacles with beads of different sizes. Stick everything here. Build an undersea cave. Be a mermaid crown. Stick on all kinds of bright diamonds. Paint the blue part with red nail polish. Sew beads to the mesh. Is it flashing? I made one before, but I didn't think it looked good, so I decided to do another one. Use glue drops to make the eyes feel bright. Now let's look at the results. I think she is beautiful.